Today I was in the mood to do some fall decoration in my house, and as you can see, I was in the spirit. I accumulated pieces little by little, and here we are. Most of the items were very affordable. I found some really great finds at Dollar Tree, Five Below, Ross, and Target. I'm going to start in the living room area and swap out the things I had on my coffee table as well as my plant stand, and while I'm at it, I'll do some dusting as well. I am in love with this cute wicker tray from Five Below. It's ideal for any room, and I added these cute fall pieces all from the Dollar Tree. The fun thing about decor is that there's no right or wrong way to do it, as long as it feels good while you do it. I just like to let my creativity flow. Moving into the kitchen, I am now going to start off with my flower arrangement that I got from the Dollar Tree. I absolutely love this arrangement. It's so pretty. It gives such a great vibe for fall. So I'm just going to cut off the tape and I'm going to put this in this beautiful vase that I got from the Dollar Tree as well. That's really giving like fall, Thanksgiving, and I just think that it looks so beautiful. Moving on to these wicker baskets that I got from Five Below. Love them. You can do so many things with wicker baskets. You can put blankets in it. You can put so many different things and make it look so fancy. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get a little creative and I'm going to put the wicker baskets above my cabinets because I want it to really stand out. I'm not going to put anything in it, at least at the moment I'm not. I'm going to go in with my LED lights that I got from the dollar store. Good thing about these is that they don't run your con net up. They're battery operated, so all you got to do is swap them out. And how cute is this? They light up. It's going to give such a great vibe for the kitchen. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drape them across my cabinets up top. I feel like this would be the perfect spot. They won't get interrupted and it just stands out. As soon as I walk in my front door, this is what I'm going to see. Then I'm just going to go in and clean off my countertops because why not? While we're doing this process, I like to clean as I go so that I know that not only does the house look beautiful, but it's also clean at the same time. And this is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I hope that you found a little bit of inspo in this video. Again, I got most of these pieces from the Dollar Tree, Five Below, all affordable places. I hope that you get some ideas and you decorate your house as well. I was so excited with the outcome and the kids absolutely loved it, and it looked so beautiful when we cut all the lights out. It was just such a fun project that I did. Not to mention the smell. It was giving pumpkin spice, caramel. It smelled so beautiful. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. Stay tuned for my next video.
Simply Shell, Simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube, and you know she got a vibe.